Yeah, guys, so this is only a quick walk of video. This is only 3 minutes video, so let's go, guys, for a walk. Morning routine. Okay, so I'm actually here at the one of the famous seawall at the Stanley Park in Vancouver, BC. Okay, so look at the view. You can see the other side. That's on the North Shore. There you go. And the round view. Okay, so I'm heading that way. Guys, so it's 2 minutes, 1 more minute to go. I hope you enjoy the view. That's the Stanley Park, the Lionsgate Bridge that way. It's kind of foggy, so it's hard to see. Well, guys, so that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again next time on my next video, guys. Okay, bye all, take care, and God bless you all.